Hey, what's going on, guys? So, it's been a while, but we got some parts in for the S10. So here's the disgusting workbench. We got the Trunion upgrade kit to upgrade the rockers so that the needle bearings can't fall out. So here is an upgraded rocker. See how there's a C-clip? So basically that stops the middle part of the rocker to going back and forth. Here's a stock rocker. So there's no C-clip, which basically means at high RPMs, this little disc right here can fall out, and that disc on the other side of that disc are it's a bearing with a bunch of needle bearings. So basically, it's a good idea to do a trunnion upgrade kit anytime you're doing an LS. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. There's obviously 16 rockers, so it's going to take a little bit. And I'll show you how to do a few, and then I'll time-lapse through the rest of them. So I'll be right back. I'll get the camera set up and then show you guys what's going on. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I'm going to show you how to do one. So here's a non-upgraded rocker. So first step, you got to press out the old bearings. So get a big socket that's bigger than the size of the little cap over here. Put the rocker down on it. Center it on the socket. And then center it to the press. Alright. And I think we need just a tiny bit bigger socket. Just not big enough. Why is this so hard to find stuff when you actually need it? What size is this? 7/8. What size is this? 22. Is that bigger? I think it's bigger. Come back over here. Boop. Boop. Ooh. Flying shrapnel. Almost there. So it's okay if you break these caps. Oh, as the camera's wandering off. It's okay if you break these caps. It's they're getting replaced. So there we go. Huh. Both of them came out. So these are those needle bearings I was talking about. See how they're falling everywhere? That would be inside your engine. So alright. So now you got both those caps out, and now that this is all dirty, now you want to take a bearing, which I put somewhere. Where did I put the bearings? Oh god. I had a whole sleeve of bearings. They're all gone. Alright, I'll be right back when I find them. Alright, I'm back. So, got the bearings. Just gotta wipe some of the shit that's on them off. Now you basically gotta press this bearing into the rocker, which is easier said than done. This is really hard to do one-handed. We're actually gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Let's see. Oh god. How's that look? Crooked. There you go. Alright, so put the bearing, use a socket, center it all up, press the bearing in. Oh, going a little bit off kilter here. Getting back centered. And that's pretty much it. We're actually going to do it this way. So we can get it flush. there's flush. Alright, so now take your trunnion, throw this bad boy in there. Alright, grab another bearing, and make sure the bearings are the flat sides up or out, and then the closed side like that is on the inside. Get the shmoo out of here. And then, so yeah, it's basically just the same as the other side. Luckily, I don't actually have to use these washers. These washers are included so that you can press through them. But the nice thing is I can use the washers to press it down and get it flush once it's centered. Alright, and good. Now you just want to check to make sure that this spins freely, which it does. And then, 1 second, let me grab the locking pliers and the C-clips, wherever those are. Grab the little bag of C-clips and a pair of the C-clip pliers. I'll just take this, throw it on the pliers, like so. Put it on the end of the trunnion. Most pliers, you won't be able to get it on all the way. Just use your finger, snap that on. And just make sure it's in the little groove all the way around, which it is. Grab the other side. And install it. So now there is no chance of the trunnion falling out anymore. Alright, so now I'm going to throw it on time lapse and you guys can watch me do all 14 more of these. So I'll be right back. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, the trunnion video. I finished all the trunnions upgrades, so this is what it looks like. There's not really much to it. Once you do one, you know how to do them all. So now they're all done. Just wanted to give you a quick update saying that they were done. We're just waiting on the cam and the valve springs. And then basically, once we have both of those, then the motor can go back together. I actually painted the motor too. We're going black. Right now it's flat black. Gotta do a few more coats on that. And then other than that, that's pretty much it for now. We're gonna have some new content coming up. Basically, it's gonna be the dirt bike videos. I bought a CRF 250X. So it needs a head job, so we just gotta get the head done and then stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Alright, talk to you later.